2021 witnessed a changing of the guard in the Superbike World Championship.
Ve o şampiyonluğu da almayı başarıyor Toprak Razgatlıoğlu.
Geçen sene Jonathan Rea ile
Last year, there was a great rivalry between myself and Jonathan Rea.
hepimiz sadece Jonathan Rea'ydı çünkü 6 senelik
After dominating for 6 years, he was undoubtedly the biggest hurdle that I had to overcome.
güçlü rakip. Jonathan Rea
My dream was to get the better of him and become the world champion before he retired.
geçip dünya şampiyonu olmaktı. Ya bütün verdiğim
It was an incredibly important year for me, and all of the effort that I put in was for my father. He believed in me more than I believed in myself. I wish he was here so I could share the feeling with him.
Yaşamasını isterdim.
For Toprak Razgatlıoğlu, life changed in 2017 when his father, a renowned stunt rider in his native Turkey, was killed in a motorcycle accident in Antalya.
Tabii ki de beni
I'm sure
gördüğünü
he's watching over me.
ama
If he was here with me still, alive and well, this whole thing would have been much more enjoyable.
Keyifli olurdu diye düşünüyorum.
Toprak's faith has helped him come to terms with the loss of his father and plays a key role in many aspects of his life. As a Muslim, he observed the holy month of Ramadan while still competing in the opening rounds of the season, and his beliefs are to the fore on his regular visits to the podium. There were 29 of them in 2021 alone.
Tabii ki de podyumdaki
People might have seen me running from the champagne celebrations.
şampanya patlamaları çok önemli ama tabii ki de biz Müslüman olduğumuz
It's
için
not appropriate in my religion,
çok kişi
so
alkol
that's why I stay away from it.
elimizdeki zaten şampanyaya benzeyen bir şey olduğu için
In Europe, celebrating with champagne has been a tradition for a long time.
ben patlatmadan
But in Turkey, the majority of people are Muslim, and most Muslims don't drink alcohol.
yani bizim dinimize göre aslında iyi bir şey değil.
Support for Toprak comes in many forms. In Yamaha, he has a manufacturer that has given him a bike on which to compete at the front of the grid. And in compatriot Kenan Sofuolu, a former world champion himself in the supersport category, Toprak has a surrogate father, someone to lean on for advice both on and off the track.
Mental olarak aslında Kenan Sofuolu'yla beraber
When I was at a low point,
bizim
he
için
helped me
bütün yollar bitmişti ve
and showed me a way forward.
Sofuolu bizi çok farklı bir dünyalara götürmüştü. Biz de
I hope I
aslında
was able to pay him back a little
çabaların
by
karşılığında
winning the world
dünya
title.
şampiyonu olarak.
Retaining that crown live here on Eurosport is Toprak's next challenge in a sport where speed is of the essence and danger, as he knows only too well, is never far away.
Motosikletin üstündeyken tabii ki de
I get incredibly anxious before a race.
bence herkes için geçerli ama ışıklar söndükten sonra yarışa
I believe this is also the case for everyone else.
gidiyor. Çünkü strateji
But when the lights go out, you forget about your nerves
inanılmaz bir
and
şekilde
concentrate on
stres
strategy.
hissettiriyor size. Yani
The day before a race, a feeling of excitement comes over you.
yarışlar başlamıyor.
Excitement is definitely not a bad thing.
En büyük
It helps you get in the mood.
heyecanı tatmak.
This excitement itself is one of the greatest pleasures of bike racing.
Hiçbir şekilde heyecan hissetmiyorsun.
Son Goku.